All right, here we are in checkpoint 2, our virtual density lab. Make sure you read through the whole background reading so you understand what density is, and you'll be able to answer some of the questions later with that. And then when you get down to directions, it says click on this link to take you to the site that we will do the lab. Once you do, this should pop up, and you're going to click on the first tab that says Intro. And here we are. And once you are, you'll see some information. Up here, it tells you what the density is, as long as you keep that button open. Over here, the mass on the right here, and the volumes below that. And then the drop-down menu tells you all the different types of objects that you could put in the water. All right, if we go back here, you're going to notice here's a table for styrofoam and wood and so forth. To find out what the volume and density are to fill in your chart, you're just going to set the one thing they tell you, the mass, to whatever it tells you. So in this case, 0.15 kilograms. All right, to do that, first we have to make sure it's on styrofoam, which it is not. So I'll click styrofoam, and then it says 0.15. So I'm going to go all the way to the left, and luckily that's 0.15. All right, now I have some answers. The volume is 1 liter. The density is 0.15. So I can go back and fill in volume 1L, density 0.15. Then I'm going to change my mass to 0.5. And how do you do that? You just either click the arrow until you get there, or if you're impatient, you can move it until you get close. I'm at 0.6. Oops, I went crazy. 0.5, there it is. Record this volume, this density in your chart, and you shall finish that chart. Once you're done with the styrofoam table, you'll go on to wood. And to do that, you'll simply, where it says A up in the top right, drop down to wood, and then repeat. With wood, you're going to start at 0.40 and find the volume and density just like you did. And that's how you fill out these tables. Once you fill out the tables, you have some questions. Of the tables you have, you're supposed to list the materials from the least dense to the most dense. So just find the smallest density numbers of these and rank them in order, and then answer the few questions. I'll make a separate video to show you how to graph your data.